Hello there, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I have an unboxing video to do today, and it is the AIA Beauty Bundle, or the American Influencer Awards Beauty Bundle, and it is a monthly subscription. It is $39 a month, where they usually focus on one brand. And it is about 5 or 6 items, I think, that you get in the box. And so I am going to see what we have today. If you're interested in this, then hang on, because I'm about to get right into it. Okay, let us see what brand they are working with this month. Okay. Usually it comes with a card. I see 2 different prints in here and I don't see a card. Okay, that is very interesting. Okay, it looks like there is purlisse and nudestix in here. I guess they are doing 2 different brands this month, and it looks like there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, cool. Let us pull out the first thing. It is from Purlisse. It is this cute little makeup bag. I missed the first Purlisse and the first nudestix boxes they did. I wasn't part of the subscription when they did it, so I don't know if these are repeat items or not. But look at that little canvas makeup bag. That is really cute with a watermelon on it. I love watermelon, and it's nice and spacious inside. Wow. Oh, and on the back it says, "Give your skin a burst of energy." I do like the Purlisse brand. I don't think I've ever tried anything from nudestix. Let's pull out everything from Purlisse first, and then we'll get to the nudestix stuff. So there is 3 things plus the bag from Purlisse. First we have the, oh, and it all looks like it's from their watermelon line. Okay, we have the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel-Off Mask. You know, if you've been around, I do love me some masks. Let's see. Let's take it out and look at it. And, okay, that is what it looks like right there. And I wonder what it smells like. Okay, they do have a seal on it, but it's easy to take off. Oh, that smells really, really good. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this tonight, I think. Definitely. Let's see what it says on the back of the box. Beauty through Asian wisdom. Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel-Off Mask is an antioxidant-packed peel-off mask with a marshmallow texture that works to energize, brighten, and tighten the appearance of the skin. Watermelon is loaded with vitamins A, B, and C, and antioxidants that are vital for skin health. Blackberry and cranberry renews skin texture, while elderberry revitalizes the complexion. Awesome. Start with cleansed skin. Apply a thin layer to face, avoiding eyes, eyebrows, mouth, and any hair. Let set and dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove mask by gently peeling it off. Okay. I don't usually use peel-off masks, but I'll give this a try. That should be very interesting. I will try to find prices for everything and put them down below, and then give you a total retail value of everything at the end of the video. Okay, next we have the pink charcoal and watermelon purifying cleansing milk with green tea. Gently cleanses skin, soap and sulfate free. So that is what that looks like. I love getting a cleanser as well. It says pink clay helps boost skin clarity, control excess oil, and minimize the appearance of pores. Charcoal helps remove toxins from skin surface. Watermelon is packed with vitamins A, B6, and C to keep skin energized and hydrated. Green tea is an antioxidant that helps promote clear skin. Soy milk is rich in amino acids and maintains skin elasticity. Whole oats comes and soothes sensitive skin. Okay. Use on damp skin and lightly rinse with warm water. Follow with the moisturizer, which I don't have. Okay. Awesome. Looking forward to using that. And the third thing we have is the pink charcoal and watermelon antioxidants face mist. I love a good face mist. Oh, I wanted to smell this too. I wonder if it smells the same as the mask. Yeah, it has that watermelon smell to it. And of course I'm going to spray the face spray too. And see what the sprayer is like. This has the same benefits as everything else. Oh, that smells nice. A nice, it's not the finest mist, but it's not too aggressive either. So, yeah. Love that. In fact, I'm going to keep this out with my 4-3 Do It mist and have it as part of my Shop My Stash because I only have one hydrating mist out right now. So I'm just going to keep that out. Okay, let's put everything in this bag here. And let's see what we got from Nudestix. We have 1, 2, 3, 5 things from Nudestix. Ah, we're getting our money's worth this month. Okay, first thing I have, and no, I don't think I've tried this before, is the Nudestix Citrus Seed Mask Daily Moisturizer Yuzu plus turmeric, or turmeric, or however you want to say it. It's another mask. No? Mask and daily moisturizer. Let's see. Let's see how this smells. I had their enzyme wash before. It doesn't really have a smell. Let's see. Vegan powered actives replenish. Y'all think I don't read? I can't read, but it's just really small print. Vegan powered actives replenish, moisturize, rejuvenates, and nourishes skin, soothes irritation, and renews texture for smooth, soft, and glowing skin. How to use. Use every morning as a daily moisturizer on clean skin or under makeup. Okay, so it's a moisturizer. And layer as a night treatment mask for dehydrated skin. Okay, so it's just a moisturizer. So let me know if you have used, well, let me know if you've used any of these products. So we have got that. What is this? Is this a mascara? I guess I'm gonna have to open it up and find out. This is what it looks like. It's very light. Yeah, it's a mascara. And there we go on that. I'll probably keep this out and try it too, along with my other Shop My Stash items. Okay, it just says Nudestix on it. It doesn't say anything else. It just has a bunch of stars on it. So we have got that. And then from Nudestix, we have a magnetic matte lip color in the shade Boho. Okay. Let me see if I can get this plastic off easily, and I will show it to you, and we will swatch it. Okay, good. I got that off easily. I have problems with plastic wrapping. Okay, that is a nice nude color. Okay, it's a little darker than nude. Let me take off my what I got on, and let's try it out. Let's see here. It is matte. I would definitely wear lip gloss with it. Oh, I like that color. I like it a lot. What do you think? It goes with my look today, I think. But I would definitely wear a lip gloss with that because it is definitely matte. So this is sharpenable, so it doesn't go up and down. You would have to sharpen it with the pencil sharpener. This is really matte. I just don't like matte lipsticks, matte crayons, matte whatever you have. Okay, that feels a lot better. Okay, what else? Do we have another one? Or is this looks like an eyeshadow stick. Okay, what BU? Magnetic Luminous Eye Color. And it is in the shade Dew Wrap. So, let's get this one opened. Okay, where do you open it? And I don't use shadow sticks that much. I'll have to pull some out when I do my shop my stash. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is a pretty color right there. I do have some nice single shadows. That is really pretty. Okay, yeah, again, this is sharpenable. And where have I been putting stuff? Okay, no. I don't know where I put that. Okay, I just put it with my other lipsticks. Okay. Okay, and then looks like we have a nudies matte all over face bronze color. Is this a bronzer? It's called Sunkissed. Okay. Okay. Hold the phone. I will be right back. Okay. Well, when I opened up the product, all of the product was in the cap here. So I had to work it out and get it out and put it back into here. So, is this a bronzer or a blush? I think it's a blush. It is way too dark to be a bronzer. So that is what it looks like. It is very emollient. I would definitely use a brush. I would not put this straight onto my cheeks. That is what it looks like sheared out. I'm definitely interested in trying it. I just got to make sure it's all the way down before I put this cap on. Okay. All right. I'm going to put it over here with my, excuse me, with my makeup to try. My poor little lip liner is all covered in it now. Okay. And that is everything in the AIA beauty bundle for this month. Let me know what you think of it. I will try to put a retail value here on the screen. If there's not, it's because I couldn't find the prices of everything. And okay then, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Did you get this box? Did you like everything in this box? Let me know all the details. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below. But if not, that is great. Just watching to this point in the video really helps me out a lot. I thank you for watching. I very much appreciate it. And if you are new here, thank you for watching as well. Please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell, setting it to all so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you're having a wonderful, a fantastic day out there today. If you are having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and I'm sending you out all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video soon. And just stay well until then. Okay? Good day.